Mother Earth, you are our home, our sanctuary, and our constant companion. You are our protector and our teacher, full of unconditional love. Today, we express our deepest love and appreciation for everything you do for us. From the snow peaks to the sandy beaches, from the lush rainforests to the barren deserts, Mother Earth, you are full of wonders. Thank you for your endless gifts of inspiration, beauty, lessons, and adventures. We are forever grateful for the endless memories and experiences you have given us so far on our magical journey. Mother Earth, you have inspired us daily to be the best versions we can be. We are grateful for all the experiences we have had and for all the many more adventures that await us. Your breathtaking beauty fills us with wonder and awe, and our hearts overflow with love and gratitude for you. We know you are hurting by the impact of our human actions on your fragile ecosystems. There are many souls who are giving it their all to bring balance and harmony back to your oceans, your land, your air, water, and all the species that roam you freely. Together we stand with a shared vision of a sustainable future, and our hearts ache with compassion and a burning desire to protect you. Today, as we celebrate you and all that you are and all that you continue to do for us all. Dear Mother Earth, you have touched our souls and ignited our spirits. Our love for you will never fade, and we will continue to cherish and love you always. We are blessed to be part of your ecosystem. We want to leave you with a message from our hearts. Earth Day is not just about one day a year, but about a lifetime commitment to cherish and look after this precious planet we call home. Let us all make every day Earth Day. Let's take action to reduce our impact on the environment and to appreciate and celebrate the beauty of our planet in all its diversity. Together, we can make a difference and leave a legacy for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Love, light, and peace to everyone.